Hello children of class 12 Cbse Computer Science with Python. Welcome to TechBox 247. In this video we are going to discuss on a question which is based on the expression evaluation. Okay. So far we have done many questions under the expression evaluation. So still many of the students are having the doubts on how to solve those expression. So this 14 plus 13 mod 15 is very simple expression, and if you know the rules of handling the precedence of Python operators, then you can able to solve this very easily. Okay, so out of these four options, so 82% of the children has given the correct answer as 27. So what about the remaining children's? Okay, so many of us are having the doubt according to the precedence. Okay, let us see the comment section here. So I can able to translate the comments in English, but some comments can't be translated to English in the correct way. So students, please comment in English. Okay, so I didn't know Hindi, so that's why I'm asking you to comment your answers in English. So one children has said, I got correct answer even though I'm in 11th standard. I guessed it. Very good. And then next one is, next comment section, correct answer is 16. Okay. The next is 13 modulo 15 is equal to 1.95. Okay. So the next question, how can you explain? So I have explained those in the comment section also, and I have explained that under this explanation section also. So if you pick up any wrong answer, okay, then the correct answer will be given here and the correct explanation will be under that question itself. So I have given the correct and clean explanation for this. So follow the steps below. So see here, 14 plus 13 mod 15. So first what you should do? So first you should operate on the precedence. So according to the precedence of operator, let us see the precedence of an operators now. Okay, so I'm writing here in the pink color pen. See, so the first preference will be going to parenthesis, and the second precedence will be going to this exponentiation symbol. After that you will be having negative and positive. Okay, so these are unary operators, unary positive, unary negative, and negation. Okay, the negation x. So all those things are coming after that. Then next precedence is going to multiplication, division, floor division, then comes the modulo division. So all these three division operators are having the precedences one by one. Okay, after this what precedence we are having? We are having addition and subtraction are having the same precedence. Then next one is left shift operators, then right shift operators. Okay, bitwise and, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR are having next precedences. And then the next thing is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then double equals to, not equals to, is not, in and not in. So all these together are having the same precedence one after the other. Okay, after that you are having the precedence as not. Okay, not operator, then you will be having and, then or. Finally you will be having the lowest precedence as or. So from the top to bottom you can able to know, see the highest precedences upon the parenthesis. So this is having the highest precedence. So the lowest precedence goes to OR operator. Okay, so this is your lowest. So now see the things correctly. Okay, let us see the questions now. So what is our question? So our question is 14 plus 13 mod 15. So let me write it here. 14 plus 13 mod 15. So let us check with the precedences one by one. So first we are having plus, but we are having the modulo division. So which is modulo division is having what? Precedence which is higher than this positive. That means the addition. So first of all you should calculate for this 13 mod 15. How you should calculate for this 13 mod 15? I have already said you this modulus operator will provide you the output as the remainder. Okay, so you should compare the two values. If the first value is lesser than the second value, then you should pick up the first value as the answer. So practically I can see this 13 mod 15, which means that 13 you should divide that with 15. So this 15 is higher than 13. So what you should do? You should multiply that with 0. So 0 times 15 is 0. So what's your remainder here? It is 13. So automatically we can able to understand if the first value is lesser than the second value in the modulus operator. So you can pick the first value as the answer. So in this case 13 mod 15 will provide you the answer as 13. Okay, then this 13 is added with this 14. Okay, so what is 14 plus 13 now? 14 plus 13 is nothing but 27. So this is your final answer for this expression. So let us see some more comments under this. So one children is asking, then 13 modulo 15 is 2. Then 14 plus 2 is 16, isn't it? So you should use the correct way of calculation. Okay, so 13 mod 15 is 13, as I have shown you how to calculate it also. So some children are trying to use this modulo operator as a percentage operator. So this modulo operator is not a percentage operator. Okay, you should not calculate by using your calculator. So if you use the calculator in your mobile phone or anything, so the percentage will be calculated. Okay, so it will be calculating 13 percentage 15. So it gives you 1.95. So that's not the correct answer. Okay, so you should know the logic of this operator, that is name is modulus operator and it is working under the Python, and in that Python this modulator operator is giving you the remainder. Okay, you should divide the two numbers and it should remain the what? Remainder. So it will give you the remainder as an output. So you should know that logic first. Okay, so don't use this percentage, calculate the percentage in any other mobile phones or any other calculators. Okay, so let me do those in practical format. Okay, the same expression, let me solve that in the practical one. So the expression is 14 plus 13 mod 15. Okay, just give the enter key. So what it is calculating? It is calculating as 27. So let us calculate for 13 mod 15. So this Python idle will be calculating only the remainder for this operator. It will not calculate the percentage for this. Okay, as because it is designed only for that Python, how to calculate it. So 13 mod 15 is 13. Okay, so understand the logic. So if you know this rules and regulations for the precedences in Python operators, then you will be able to crack your expressions questions very easily. Hope you all clear now and you will not ask the doubt for this again and again. Okay, kindly subscribe this channel TechBox247 and share it with your friends if it is useful for you. Thank you.